It's giving Oceanic, seductive siren, but it's also giving vampy, moody autumn witch. At least that's the plan for today's makeup look. It's the end of summer and I'm starting to get that itch for vampy colors and darker tones, but I'm still kind of hanging on to the like bronzy, sun-kissed, shimmery looks that I've really been loving lately. So of course I'm thinking let's merge the two aesthetics. I hope to create this look in about 15 minutes, something really evocative, a little bit glam, and just kind of merging all of these themes. So for the siren aesthetic, it's definitely about those oceanic, cool colors like soft grays, blues, sea greens. Bring on all the shimmer and sparkle, just like light on the ocean. Beach waves, a little bit of sun-kissed skin, and siren eyes, which are like elongated and seductive. The autumn witch, on the other hand, is more about earthy and rich tones like deep coppers and burgundies, vampy lips, kind of smudgy, smoky eyes, maybe a touch of some dark academia vibes, and warm candlelight, which is really different than that cool oceanic kind of light. Together, they kind of remind me of Greek naiads who, unlike sirens, dwell in fresh water, so like creeks and rivers, so you could find them in the forest potentially. So I guess this is kind of like Greek naiads in an autumn forest. It's a bit of an undertaking, but I really think it's going to be a fun exploration, trying to get the best of both worlds. So that's the plan for today. Keep on watching to see this makeup look. Starting with the skin, my favorite glow product this summer has been this Denessa serum. I want to stick with the glowy, more summery skin. I usually think of autumn and starting to move into mattes, but yeah, today, skin keeping that very light and glowy feeling. My late summer skin is a little bit difficult to shade match. Got a little bit of bronziness happening on the shoulders, but still some fairness because of sunscreen application, so a bit of mixology today. NARS Light Reflecting in Gobi. It's got a little bit of glow. I've got the Estee Lauder in the shade 1W2. And then I'm gonna mix in a little bit of green color corrector just to move it a little bit more into a perfect shade match. We'll see what we can come up with this. Definitely a little bit of witchy mixology happening on the back of my hand here. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like this has been a good little mixture I've been creating lately. And to keep this look a little bit quicker, I might skip concealer, and that's why using the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which has full coverage, can be great for those quicker looks when you just want coverage right away, but you don't want to layer and layer too many products. I'm going in with the Denessa Balm Contour in the shade Light 1. This is what I use when I need or want a lot of bronze. Some people with their siren look like to keep it really cool toned because sirens kind of have this, well, oceanic feel, and like cool tones definitely suit that. But I do like having the bronze skin because when you're swimming in the ocean all day, I feel like you're gonna get some color. Not to mention I've just been loving for summer, really leaning into a lot of bronzer. So really just going on the nose, on the cheekbones, on the eyes. And the nice thing about bronzer, which feels more summery, is that it blends really nicely with like warmer blush tones and coppers and burgundies even, because it's in like the warm family. I just did my brows off camera. Now I'm going to use from Phytocertins. This is the shade Sublimate. So moving into the autumn vibes, this is like a darker burgundy blush. I'm going to place that starting right here on the cheekbone and blending that into the bronzer. Like normally with the summer siren vibes, I might choose more of a coral or a soft pink, but now I'm craving the depth that autumn looks offer. Today I'm keeping the blush placement a little bit higher. I'm really just blending it into the bronzer. A little bit of the Huda sugar cookie powder to blend everything in, kind of brighten the center of the face too. Powder can really help with that, especially if you're like skipping the concealer step, like just powdering down right here. Prepping the eyes for eyeshadow by setting this down, but keeping the glow here. So center at the sides, that's where I'm powdering, but I don't really want to touch this part of the skin. I'd like to do the lips next because I envision the lips being more of the autumn, vampy, witchy vibe, but then the eyes somehow having the oceanic cool tones somehow. But I want to get the tones right, like for them to really complement each other. So starting with the lips, I'm gonna go in with Anastasia of Beverly Hills. This is the liner in Cool Brown, and I'm gonna darken the lip pretty significantly with this. So as much as I'm lining, I'm also gonna bring it into the center, or almost to the center. And then like pressing harder on the outside edge to really define it. Ooh. We're getting moodier. I love it. All right, and now I'm gonna use Melt Mum at the center of the lip. This is like a burnt orange kind of shade, but not too vivid. It's a great shade. Guys, I'm so excited for fall now. This just made me so excited for like pumpkins and leaves turning and all that. Fun stuff. Okay, and if I was just doing a witchy autumny look, I'd keep the lips here. I'd keep it matte. But because we're balancing the Siren vibe, I'm gonna go in for a little bit of gloss, and a sparkly gloss at that. This is from TYS Beauty and it's called Toast. And I'm gonna layer that on top for a juicy autumny lip. Oh yeah. This might be one of my favorite lips I've done in a long time. Some highlighter at this stage and a silver highlighter. This is from Flower Nose. It's a favorite of mine, and placing that on the cheekbone. I love the way gloss and highlight just really complement each other. You got the shine on the lips, the shine bouncing off the cheekbone. I would love this look alone. Before moving on to the eyes, I think this is so pretty. I'm gonna take from Cosmic Beauty the Smolder palette, which I've really been loving lately. And I'm gonna start with this shade Charisma, which is like a bluey gray. Taking quite a fluffy brush. And I'm kind of testing the waters, so to say, to see how I like this shade with the warm complexion and warm lips. It's kind of giving 90s a little bit. Something about that, you know, warm brown lip and then a cool eye. I'm gonna bring the shadow into the crease and a little bit further out. And then I definitely want a little bit of smokiness on the outer corner. The Siren eye is usually more precise and lined, whereas like a witchy look I think of as a little grungy, so kind of finding that middle ground. Gonna take this shade Sultry right here. This is definitely not a precise brush. So I'm just gonna smoke out this outer corner. And extend it a little bit. A little bit on the lower lash line too, just what's left on the brush. And now to start dipping my toes in again with a shade. There's this beautiful blue color called Ignite here, which is quite a showstopper, but I'm just not sure if I'm going to want it fully applied. So I'm just going to very carefully just start laying it down and see how I feel about it. Dang, it's a pretty cool color. I feel like it's really interesting. In the pan, it looks so vivid. I don't know if you can tell on camera. No, you cannot. Well, there, yeah, look. Has a really vivid blue shift to it. But when you apply it, it's a little bit more iridescent. So the iridescence definitely mimics the siren energy. That's cool. I feel like this is cool. I feel like it looks like an abalone shell. I think I'd like to layer the tiniest little bit of the shade down here called Swoon because it's like a more white that reminds me of the light on the ocean. So I like to have that little bit of extra kind of lift to the eye look. I'll bring that all the way up to the outer brow bone. I really want to see how this looks with lashes. Take my hair out. Will I find maybe some accessories to go with it? We shall see. I will be one moment. All right, here is the finished makeup look with mascara on and these earrings, which are very siren-esque and just like a satin slip that's black. So you've got that, not that you can see it much, but like the siren-esque vibe, but the black makes it feel a little bit more witchy. And then I did pop in the waterline. This is Urban Decay Cool Coyote. So it's like a cool gray pencil. I felt like it really emphasized the cool tones of the eyes. And then, yeah, I'm really digging this. This feels like a really interesting makeup look that's like glam siren. That's a little bit autumny and witchy. I really love these eyes. The color in particular, I feel like kind of looks like my eye color. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just a little personal note there. And I love this lip tone. I think they play together really interestingly. I do feel like this does have a siren-esque vibe and keeping the beachy waves, the summery feel, but definitely leaning into some more depth, some more vampiness, some more moodiness. This would be beautiful on like a late summer night, evening cruise or something on the water. I say that because I recently went on a little dinner cruise and I feel like this look would have been perfect for it. I'm feeling really inspired and excited to move into autumn with a little bit of this idea in mind of like integrating the aspects I love about some summery makeup looks and, you know, balancing it with those autumn tones. Yeah, I'm excited for this. That reminds me, stay tuned for my ethereal style system that I'm chipping away at, and that will hopefully come late September. So perfect for those of you who like looks like this and different ways to explore ethereal energies in your style, in your makeup, and in your life. So yeah, that's it for today and this look. Definitely leave a comment down below. It really helps support the channel. I really, really appreciate it. And subscribe if you're feeling inspired and into these kinds of looks. All right, friends, that's it for today. Toasty, let's take it away. All right, Toasty, are you an autumn boy or a summer siren boy? Autumn boy? Yeah, he hates the ocean. He hates water. He's very much a cool weather kind of guy, skipping through the forest in the leaves, right? Why do you look so upset to be here? I swear, he loves me. All right, friends, thanks so much for watching till the end. As always, just a little reminder that if you want to check out my Patreon, link down below where you can join the Patreon coven and get some bonus content and help support my channel through a subscription. I really appreciate everyone who's joined so far and really been loving deep diving on some other themes and talking about some behind the scenes things and processes. Oh my gosh, I think I just got lip gloss on Toasty's ear. And on that note, until next time, may you all find yourselves a little bit of makeup magic, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, witches and sirens.